Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. Today I'm going to film a new video which is going to be a sort of chatty one. I'm going to explain how, as a French person, I've managed to go into university in the UK, in London. I thought it might interest some of you to know a bit how it's working and everything. So I'm going to explain how I've managed to go into uni here. So first, I've passed my baccalaureate in France in 2011, in June. So in the UK I think the equivalent is the A-level, if I'm right, I'm not sure, but it's not exactly the same thing, but it's the last big exam you have after high school. And then after that you're supposed to go into university in France or anywhere. And at this time I wasn't sure about what I wanted to study. I wasn't sure, so I didn't want to start anything at this point. So in September I've chosen to go in London as an au pair, which was already a sort of big decision. It wasn't the greatest experience, I have to say. Maybe I will film a whole video about it because it was kind of crazy. But during this time I was in the center of London, and I took English classes in an English school called British Study Centre. It was, which street? It was near Selfridges, near Oxford Street, and it was really good. I had a great time there. I spent 3 weeks there. Every morning I was going there, and at the end of it I've passed my IELTS exam, which you have to pass if you want to go into English university, either the IELTS or the TOEFL exam. You have to have one of these one to go into university. So yeah, I've done that. And then after that, it was in January 2012, I got my results from the IELTS exam and I got 7, which was the mark I had to achieve to go into the university I wanted to go, which is City University. So it was a really exciting moment because I knew that it was possible for me to go into this university. So then I finished my, what's the name? My personal statement or something like that on the UCAS website. But if you are from the UK, you know what UCAS is. You all have to use it to go to university. It was really complicated for me because it's completely different from what you have to do in France. You have to write this statement thing to talk about all your motivation and everything for each course you want to apply. So it took me a great amount of time to do it, but in the end I've done it. And after I had to wait for all the universities' answers, I've applied for City but also for Westminster and for, what's the name? One in Oxford, but I can't remember the name now. Anyways, but my first choice was City University, and luckily, like, I don't know, 1 month later I received the letter from City University with an unconditional offer, which meant that I was taken into this university, so it was really great. It was a really long process. I had to think a lot about everything, look at a lot of websites. And for foreign students, when English is not your language, it's really hard to know everything, and sometimes the websites are not really well written and everything, so it was kind of a struggle. But finally I've made my choice. So yeah, also to choose the course it was really difficult because I still wasn't sure about doing journalism, because it's not that it's restricted, but it's a real like job. It's not like if you're doing law you have several options. I don't know how to explain, but I wasn't sure, and I was also thinking, live in London alone, will I be able to do it? So a lot of thinking for that, but then I just thought the town in where I was living in France is just too boring for me and I need to go back to London. And so finally I've made this choice. It's not easy every day. Sometimes I'm homesick like everyone, I think, but I think it was a better option. So yeah, that was my story. I hope you maybe learned something from it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. If you liked it, maybe give a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you soon. Bye bye!